Let's check out the blueprints first. Today, Lalalooo Craft will create a whole shop. Ready. But looks like we picked the wrong size. A drop of enlarging potion. That's better. Is the wallpaper ready? Then let's glue it on. Lalalooo Candy Shop. Wow! The second wall is also ready. The floor is covered in pink tiles. Use strips of glittery foam paper to make baseboards.
Hi there.
It matches the rest of the room. These flasks are steaming. Let's create a bubblegum machine out of them. Put on gloves. Hygiene is super important. It's more convenient to pour candy through a funnel. Snap. Add attachments. Wow, there is a whole labyrinth of treats. The blades of a propeller are sparkling in the middle. This candy pipeline stretches from the corner to the edge of the wall. And a fan fills the whole room with the sweet smell of bubblegum. Trim chopsticks. Polish them so they don't give you splinters. Install them inside a plastic piece. Knead pink and purple clay. This is where the bubble gum is shaped. It looks magical. The ready gum rolls into a plastic container. This metal faucet can turn left and right. Secret recipes are developed in this candy lab. Snap! Bam! A candy explosion! We need to work on the recipe more. Decorate the lids with glittery foam paper and a band out of textured foam paper. The colors are so beautiful. Add tiny faucets to the tubes. There are so many tasty flavors of bubblegum inside.
Oh!
Put stands along the wall. Just open a tap and take however many you want. We're going to use a candy mold for this next craft. Cut even sparkly rows. Separate a strip. We don't need the extra. This mold will become much smaller. Measure the strips on thin styrofoam. Snap! Ready! Wow, there are so many of them! All of these are shelves. Soon they'll be filled with candy. Styrofoam pieces are ready. What's it gonna be? Need light clay. Do we have enough blue pieces? Oh yes. Now it's time for yellow ones. We're ready. One more layer. 2 pairs of balls and a top shelf. The stand looks like it's made out of sweets. Shape clay as paws. Create fur texture. Here is a face with an open mouth. A pair of eyes makes sure that customers are happy. Oh, it's Cookie Monster!
Yes!
He would love to eat all these cookies himself.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Decorate each shelf with textured foam paper.
Yo!
The stand is ready to go inside our store. Thin styrofoam will come in handy again. First, outline the pieces. This puzzle is not that easy. Remove plastic details of an organizer like this. Install them inside the right compartments. Put them in a row. Yay! We got a new shelf! Here is the bottom. And then a back wall appeared. Wow! We have Pepsi, seal a can with a lid, Coke, and Dr. Pepper. Now every customer can choose the right drink. The soda will stay cool under a screen of thin plastic. A fridge with drinks is just what our candy shop needs. A circle out of plexiglass will come in handy for our next craft. Put it on an axle. Now watch it spin. Put candy inside a plastic jar. Install the axis. Wow, it's so great that you can see the bright candy through the glass. There are candy molds near each container. We can't wait to fill them. It's time to decorate. Let's use textured foam paper and sparkly blue plastic with stars. Thin wires are on top. Whoa, it's a whole candy tree. Yay, treats are gonna grow on it soon. Lalalu's favorite lollipops. All kinds of shapes, sizes, and flavors. A magic pastry chef created this masterpiece.
Hey!
A candy tree is every sweet tooth's dream. What are we going to do with this glass jar? Oh, a whole pile of treats spilled on the table. There are even candies made out of edible gold. Give it a funny shape. Sweet candies are on wire skewers. We have a special offer. Don't miss it. Buy a set of candies and get a jar of delicious treats for free. Wow, there is so much candy here. Pieces of styrofoam separated into small squares and rectangular pieces. Shape them as slippers. Yeah, we did it! Now let's make the back. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Paint them and let them dry. These are shoes made out of marshmallows and fondant. Make a bigger oval. Ready. Trim and polish them. These will become legs. You'll see who they belong to later. Oh, they're M&Ms! They already have eyes, smiles, and a logo on their bellies. But still no arms. Let's fix it. Make an arm around a wire. Done.
Hey! Hi there.
M&Ms happily greet guests at the entrance. Cookie Monster from Sesame Street helped everything on the shelves. Even a giant can find the right treat. And the containers around a candy tree are all filled with treats. We just need to add crackers and other treats to the shelves. It's impossible to choose. We want to try everything. These two are a big hit in Lalatown. They greet every customer and give them free candy.
Yes!
Who knows candy better than candy? The doors of Lalalu Candy Shop are always open to you.